Welcome back, dear students. Here to make that image so clear, I have to apply that one effect options on it, which is looking like that after the application of that effect. Here, friends, we could apply different kinds of beautiful shapes on that picture, and here these shapes could be seen on it, guys. And now, guys, these are the circular shapes, and here are the different kinds of stars are available on it, friends. And some of these stars I have to apply on it, and now we could choose different colors, and friends, these colors are at here, like these ones colors are available. Now we could apply that border options on it, guys, which you could see on the screen.